Hello friends, welcome to JoyTube. Before commencing the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon, and please don't forget to share my channel if you want to save my channel. Now let's go towards the video. Well, this video is the Photron 3-in-1 universal lens kit. So let's unbox it. Let me get it down. Well, this has 3 lenses included in it, which are the fisheye, macro and the wide angle lens. So here's is the box, the Photron 3-in-1. You can see this is how it looks. It comes black in color. The universal 3-in-1 cell phone camera. It fits for any phone like iPhone 6, 6 Plus, Samsung Galaxy, and it has fisheye, wide angle and a macro lens included in it. And the box has the fish, wide angle and the macro lens. The fish angle is an ultra lens which has 180-degree view, which for capturing wide angle is 0.67x, which gives a 49% view angle, and the macro one, which is 1.5 to 2 cm. It's compatible with Android, Samsung, iPhone, as I told you before. And the box contents include the lenses, macro, fish, universal clip, and the manual and a carrying pouch. So let's open it now. Here's the box content. Here, this is how the box content looks. Let's open the box, and this is the contents of the box. There's a white clip, universal clip for holding the lens, an extra clip, and then a velvet carrying pouch to carry the lenses safely, and a micro fiber cloth to keep the lenses clean. This is the universal lens clip of Photron. Though I got the defective piece, but then I got a new one in exchange, and this is the fish eye lens. So they are the wide angle and the macro lens. They come together in 2-in-1 set, and they are screwed together for easy storage, and you can separate both the lenses. And this clip is also good. And this is how the lenses are attached. The macro lens, you simply need to unscrew. This is the fish lens, and it's work good. So here are some pictures taken. Let's check.